GPT 5.4 just scored 75% on a benchmark where the human average is 72. AI passed humans at operating a computer this week. Here's everything else that happened. OpenAI launched GPT 5.4 on March 6th, and the headline feature is native computer use, meaning the model can navigate software, click buttons, and complete tasks on your screen the same way a person would. The 75% score on the OSWorld benchmark is not close. Human baseline is 72.4. That is a threshold that just got crossed. The second story worth your attention, ChatGPT is coming to Excel in beta. This is not a plugin that reads your spreadsheet and summarizes it. It builds financial models, writes and updates formulas, and runs analysis directly inside your workbook using GPT 5.4 thinking. If spreadsheets are part of your work, this is worth testing early. The third story, Anthropic quietly launched a 1 million token context window for Claude Sonnet 4.6 that is roughly 750,000 words in a single session. Entire code bases, full document libraries, complete research archives. The practical ceiling for what you can load into one conversation just got significantly higher. This is exactly what we cover every Wednesday and Saturday in our free newsletter. The 3 AI stories that actually matter each week, nothing else. If you want it in your inbox, link is in the description. Full breakdowns for each story are linked below.